Make a great choice today with
The 2022 SL. The Mercedes-Benz SL blends sportiness and luxury with a strong, responsive engine and agile handling. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tire. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.